All right guys, welcome back. This is Eric here with Iraq Veteran 8888. Today we are going to be taking a look at a really interesting version of the CMMG Banshee. This is a 22 caliber. All right, so this is a really neat little devil here with the DevCan 22 suppressor, which is CMMG's new suppressor. And we're going to be having a look at this. Let's have some fun. We'll talk a little bit more as we go. All right. This is same sort of thing that we did the meltdown video on. So like, you know, the CMMG 22s have ran really good for us. Check out the CMMG 22 kit meltdown. It's really crazy how long it lasted. All right, let's have some fun. We'll talk a little bit more as we go. Very neat. There we go. Took a few shots to get that gong to fall over. Very nice. Last round bolt hold open, or at least it catches on the follower. Very cool. All right. This thing is just nuts. It's like a squirrel's worst nightmare. All right, we got some sodas on the back rack there. Oh man, these things are so insane. We're going to get into some drums in a second here. Real quickly, in case you guys didn't catch the last video, we did a video on the 9mm Banshee, and essentially what the Banshee line is like the shortest available configuration for the CMMG pistols, mainly pistols and SBRs. So what the Banshee ends up being with this is we got a really short barrel length on this, and the can kind of cheats up under the rail system. You got an M-lock rail, and the two major things that are kind of new to the Banshee that we talked about in the previous video is the new ripstock, which basically just pull it, okay? And you can also set the ripstock to a predetermined position. So if you want to pin it to, let's just say position 2, then when you deploy the stock, it's only going to move as far as you have it pinned to. So that's really cool. And also you can pin the stock in a fixed position. So if you don't want it to collapse or move back, you can also do that. So the new ripstock is, you know, nice and lightweight and gives a lot of flexibility to the system, which is cool. Also, ambi charging handle, which is new for CMMG. Those are the two like kind of major things that are somewhat new to the Banshee, other than the Banshee being a new line, ambi in a very short configuration. The Banshee, the best way I can describe the Banshee is as a K version of the Guard. So if you're familiar with the CMMG Guard and 45, 9mm, what have you, it's basically a shortened version. They also do these in a 300 blackout in terms of a standard AR lower. So you notice this is not a pistol tower. This is still set up to take conversion style magazines. Well, this lower is also available in 300 blackout too. Also, 11 colors of Cerakote come not all 11 colors, but one of 11 colors comes standard in terms of Cerakote. So that's pretty much, you know, other than the Magpul furniture and everything like that. This is an SBR, obviously, but these are available as a handgun or pistol, if you will, with a brace. Very cool setup. We're going to shoot it some more. This thing is just wicked fun. I can't wait to get one of these out with the auto sear. I know that's something that Chad and I both like to do with his particular 22 conversions, AR-22 upper with the kit on it. Run it on a machine gun lower is so much fun, and we've done that before. Let's break out a Black Dog 50 round drum. And you guys recall from the meltdown videos that these tended to run pretty good for us. All right, oh, that stock back out. That's so much fun, I gotta do it again. Okay. Nice. The thing about 22 that's nice is you can just about shoot like that until your trigger finger gets about worn out, because you're not going to run out of money shooting like that. That's the nice thing about 22 is it's cheap to shoot. Let's get after some of our sodas here. Dead on out about 35 yards there. Let's take a couple of shots at longer range as well. Have a little bit of fun. Suppressor is real quiet. I'll tell you what, I'll shoot down on the ground with the suppressor a little bit. Very quiet. Suppressor, you know, it is a direct thread 1/2x28, and we were running it on a M&P compact 22 pistol earlier, and it sounded really nice on that as well. So very cool. It's a group about the size of a grapefruit. 75 yards, not bad. And yes, we are running an ACOG on this because we can, you know, why not? This is Chad's ACOG. It's just sitting in a little LaRue tactical mount. On this particular ACOG, we robbed it off of Chad's gun just to have some fun with it, because why not, right? It's fun. This thing is pretty much destroying everything in its wake, isn't it? In case you didn't get the point, right? This is so much fun. We're going to get into some of those drums as well. All right, none of my targets over here have gotten messed with. Let's shoot those a bit. Not bad. Oh, we're getting into some drums. Okay. I think you guys see where this is going. This is a ton of fun. And it's one thing, I mean, these CMMG rigs have always ran pretty good. I mean, the 22 conversion kits are certainly a staple when it comes to the ARs and everything. I mean, I know Chad's AR with the 22 conversion kit, we're still running the same exact kit that we ran in the meltdown video, and it's holding up just fine. And it's probably got about 12, 15,000 rounds through it at this point, maybe even more than that, and it's still holding up fine. Not bad. All right, we've got a drum, we've got a gun. What's the worst that could happen here? I mean, what else does it need to be able to do? That's so cool. Not a single stoppage. Sweet. Very neat. All right, one last drum for the road. I mean, that's a rapid fire group. I mean, that's pretty dang good if you ask me. Nice. Very, very, very cool. Awesome. Hopefully that covered everything, guys. This was just meant to be kind of a quick and fun look at the Banshee and 22 long rifle. This gun really, to me, represents sort of a complete homage to all of the engineering feats that CMMG puts into their guns. So for some of you that want a factory available option, besides just a drop-in kit, this offers a great way for somebody to get something ready to go right out of the box. And with some unique things such as the ripstock and the ambi charging handle, that adds a lot of flexibility for people that might want something like that. You know, there's always the route of just getting like a 22 conversion kit too. Those things do exceptionally well. As you've seen with Chad's gun, I mean, it holds up really well. Go watch the meltdown if you guys haven't seen that. The meltdown essentially shows the exact same technology that is put into the operating system of this gun, but in a drop-in configuration. So for some of you that want to see how well they can run, I would check that out. And plus it's entertaining because it sounds like, I don't know, a woodpecker going off every few seconds there, so which is really fun. But guys, thanks for watching today's video. We really appreciate all of you, all of your comments, suggestions. We try to read everything and take them into heart and give you guys what you're looking for in terms of content. So never hesitate to let us know if there's something specific you want to see. We'll do our best to accommodate it and show it all for you. Those of you that purchase man cans to support the channel, t-shirts over on Force from Freedom, those of you that support us on Patreon, you guys are definitely the lifeblood of our channel and us keeping going and us remaining independent. And I appreciate all of you who support us in that way as well. So thank you for watching today's video. We appreciate all of you very much. Enjoy your day. We'll see you next time. Much more to come.